Welcome back to Red Mix Facts. What secrets lie inside the pyramids? Ancient wonders. A timeless enigma, the pyramids of Giza, mysterious, massive, magnificent. For centuries, these stone giants have captivated our imaginations. How did the ancient Egyptians build them? What secrets do they hold? These questions echo through time. We stand in awe of these architectural marvels, testaments to a civilization lost to the sands of time. The sheer scale is breathtaking, the precision astonishing. These monuments whisper tales of pharaohs and gods, of a time when Egypt reigned supreme. But the pyramids are more than just tombs, they are puzzles, each stone a piece in a giant, ancient riddle. And like all good puzzles, they guard their secrets closely. For generations, explorers and archaeologists have searched for answers within their depths. Now, a groundbreaking discovery has reignited our fascination. A hidden chamber, deep within the Great Pyramid, promises to unlock new secrets. What will we find inside? What wonders await us? The journey into the unknown beckons. Unveiling secrets, a new discovery. Deep within the heart of the Great Pyramid, a team of scientists has made an incredible find. Using cutting-edge technology, they discovered a previously unknown chamber. This wasn't just any chamber, though. This one had remained hidden for thousands of years. The team, a collaboration of international researchers and Egyptian archaeologists, used a technique called Muon tomography. This non-invasive method uses cosmic particles to create images of the pyramid's interior, much like an X-ray. After months of meticulous scanning, the results were undeniable. A void, large and distinct, appeared on their screens. Located above the Grand Gallery, a long passageway leading to the King's Chamber, this hidden space sent shockwaves through the archaeological community. Excitement rippled around the globe. Could this be the breakthrough we've been waiting for? A new chapter in the story of the pyramids? The world held its breath, eager for answers. The race to understand the chamber's purpose had begun. Echoes from the past speculating the chamber's contents. The discovery of the hidden chamber ignited a firestorm of speculation. What could be inside? What treasures did it hold? Archaeologists, historians and enthusiasts alike erupted with theories. Some believed the chamber could contain religious artifacts, perhaps statues of gods or sacred texts offering insights into ancient Egyptian beliefs. Others speculate it might be a storage chamber filled with treasures and offerings meant to accompany the pharaoh into the afterlife. Adding to the intrigue, the chamber's location above the Grand Gallery suggests a connection to the King's Chamber. Could this be a grand antechamber, a final gateway to the pharaoh's tomb? The possibility tantalized researchers. While Muon tomography revealed the chamber's existence and size, it couldn't penetrate its secrets. The only way to know for sure was to gain access, a challenge fraught with logistical and ethical considerations. The most tantalizing question of all, could the hidden chamber be a tomb? And if so, who might be buried there? The possibility sent chills down the spines of Egyptologists worldwide. Some theories propose it could be the final resting place of Khufu, the pharaoh for whom the Great Pyramid was built. Despite extensive exploration, Khufu's burial chamber remains elusive. Could this be it? Others suggest it might belong to a lesser-known pharaoh, perhaps even a queen. The discovery of a new royal tomb would be a monumental event, rewriting our understanding of Egyptian history. However, some experts urge caution. Not all chambers within the pyramids are tombs. The chamber's purpose remains a mystery, and jumping to conclusions could cloud our judgment. Only further investigation will reveal the truth. The discovery of the hidden chamber is just the beginning. It's a reminder that the pyramids still hold secrets, whispering stories yet to be told. The quest to understand these ancient wonders continues. While access to the chamber presents logistical and ethical challenges, researchers are developing innovative solutions. Tiny robots equipped with cameras and sensors could snake through small openings, providing a glimpse into the unknown. The world watches with bated breath, eager for each new discovery. Every stone shifted, every chamber revealed, brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of the pyramids. The secrets they hold could rewrite history, deepen our understanding of ancient civilizations, and ignite our imaginations for generations to come. The pyramids beckon, their shadows whispering tales of intrigue and discovery. The journey into the unknown awaits. Will you answer the call? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more Red Mix Facts Adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.